everyone. So today we are going to be doing a quick Shein haul. I have a few accessory items, I have a few clothing items as well, and I just want to share them with you guys. And I do have my windows open because it's such a nice beautiful day, so if you hear cars or birds or chipmunks or my neighbor's rooster, please excuse any of that because it's just too beautiful a day to not have my windows open. So hopefully that's not too distracting, but I swear I hear like either a bird, a chipmunk, or a squirrel or something right outside my window, and it's driving me insane. That and my neighbor's rooster is like cock-a-doodle doing, is that what you call it? And it's funny, I live in the city. I don't know why my neighbor has a rooster, but they do. All right, so the first thing I got is a hair tool accessory, not quite an accessory, but I've been seeing these all over on like TikTok and Instagram and everything like that. And basically it's these little like foam rollers, and this was like a little set. It was $2.50 and I tried it a couple of times. It's supposed to like curl your hair with no heat and everything. So basically it's just like this long like soft tube, and you like put it on top of your head like this, and you use the little clip to like hold it in place, and then you wrap your hair around it. And I'm over explaining, I'm sure everybody has seen these, but then it also comes with two like cute little silky scrunchies that you can use to keep the hair in place, and you leave it on overnight, and then when you wake up you take it out and you have these beautiful like heatless curls. So I have tried it twice now and it didn't turn out that great for me, but it was kind of like user error, I would say. The first time I wrapped my hair around it when my hair was like just out of the shower, like wet, and I had left it in all night, and it was surprisingly more comfortable than I thought it would be sleeping with it in my hair overnight. But the issue is when I woke up the next morning, my hair was still not completely dry, and if my hair is not dry, it will not hold a curl. So that was a little bit on my fault, because I guess my hair should have been a little bit drier before I did that, because it didn't have a chance to dry at all, and so my hair was just like completely fell out. My hair didn't fall out, the curls fell out. Big distinction. So then I tried it another time a couple nights later, and I kind of let my hair like air dry to like 50%, I would say. And I did the same thing, but I left it in like during the day while I was like getting ready and everything. And then I even used like my hair dryer on it to like kind of like dry and heat the hair and stuff like that, which definitely worked on like the top part here. But because my hair was like wrapped around so many times and stuff, again, it just wasn't getting completely dry. So I still have a little bit of like learning curve to figure out with this, and like how wet my hair can be, and it's a whole process. So I'm still trying to figure out how to make this one work. I think I need to like let my hair be like 95% dry, then wrap it and leave it overnight. We're definitely gonna try it again though, so I would let you know what the results are like if I ever get it to work for me. Okay, the next thing I got, you guys know I've just been in a pink mood lately, and not even just like a mood, like pink has always been one of my favorite colors, but I never wear it because I always felt like, oh, it's too like kiddish, it's too like little girlish or whatever. But I'm really embracing my love for the color pink, and I don't care anymore, and I'm wearing pink, and I'm carrying things that are pink, and I'm in my pink era, but it's like always been one of my favorite colors. But anyway, I saw these super cute little fuzzy hair clips, and I had to get these. These were $2 a piece. I just feel like these are so adorable. I want to do my hair up in like two little mini buns, and then like put the cute little like hair clips into there. I feel like that'd be so cute. Even like just like one, I think it's like super cute and adorable, or I could put it like on this side. It's very fun, but I had to get these, and these are so soft. Kind of makes me worried, like, are these real fur? I hope they're not, but they're super soft. Okay, it says they're made out of iron. That can't be right. So adorable though. I can't wait to use these in my hair. I just think they are absolutely precious. And then really quickly, the last couple accessory type things that I got. The first one, I have just been having so many headaches lately, and I drink plenty of water and stuff like that, so I don't really think that's the problem. But I have seen a lot of people talking about like blue light glasses, and how, you know, if you're always staring at screens all day, which is me, I'm on a computer all day at work, I'm on a computer all day when I'm not at work, I'm on my phone, I'm on my tablet, you know, everything. So I got a little pair of blue light glasses. I don't know, you guys, is this a gimmick? It's probably a gimmick. But anyway, I got this pair. They were cheap. It was $5 for the pair, and I didn't realize it came with a little case, which is, the case is actually pretty nice too. It's like just a little simple black case that says Shein on it. But I got these little glasses. I thought they were kind of cute, and again, they're pink. I think they look a little funny on me, but I don't really care because these are just something that I plan on using like when I'm like interacting with screens and stuff. So these are just like a really cute like little baby pink kind of color. I was kind of deciding between the baby pink or like the clear baby pink. I don't know which one would have looked better. Either way, I'm gonna give these a go and at least see if this helps with my headaches, and maybe it will, maybe it's a placebo, maybe it won't help. I don't know, but for $5, I don't know. I thought I'd try it out. I got this case because I thought it didn't come with a case for some reason. Obviously, if I would have read, I would have saw that it came with a case. But I got this to hold these glasses, but now that I already have another case, I'll either switch them to these or I'll just put my sunglasses in these in my car. This one was $1. This is such a nice like looking case. I love it. Really, it's just a glasses case. Like what can I really describe it as? But I love it. It looks so cute. It's so well made. It's $1. Let me see what colors they had. I think they had black and white. Black, white, and gray. I wish they had a baby pink version, but this is still good. So yeah, these are my glasses cases and my glasses. I'm gonna take these off now because they are really reflecting off of my lights. And they don't look that different on, so you know, honestly, these are probably just like clear glasses and I'm an idiot, I don't know, but they say they're blue light glasses. I thought that they were supposed to like overcorrect the temperature color, but I don't know, you guys, I don't know. Okay, the next couple things I got are some like planner accessory things. So I got 2 of these. The one thing I hate that Shein does a lot of the time is that they will do like random color things, so you don't get to choose the color, which is annoying, but I took my chance on these 2 items. I would say they're probably like an A6 size binder. So basically they are just like these little like faux leather planners. I love these a lot and I wanted to get a couple more. So this one is the random color that I got. Out of all the colors that I got, I'm kind of sad that I got black, but I'm not that sad because I do like black. This one was $9. Like I said, I wish I could have chosen the color because there was a baby pink one, pastel lavender, baby blue, then there's like a lime green, and then a pastel yellow, hot pink, standard green, sky blue, brown, black, or white. So I guess out of all of those, the only colors I wouldn't have wanted would have been like the lime green and like true secondary green. All the other ones I would have been okay with, but let's all be honest, I really wanted like the baby pink one or the baby blue one or the mint one, but I did get the black one, but that's okay because I think I'm going to use this one as my budgeting binder. I like to like keep track of all my spending and stuff, and I like make my own little inserts for it and everything, so this is going to be perfect for that. It has like a little pin loop here, and it's got some spots to put like some cards or stickers, whatever you want to do. So overall, I'm actually pretty happy with this. I just wish I could have chosen the color of it. All right, and then I got another one. This one was actually like a metallic holographic style one. These were, I think, 11 a piece, also in A6 style, and the colors that you could have gotten from these, again, it was another random pick one. Okay, so it looks like some of the colors that you could have gotten. There was like a hot pink one, there was like a purple glitter one, baby pink glitter one, a gold one, baby blue glitter one, a gold glitter one, and maybe like a couple like silvery holographic-y ones, and I think then like a black shiny one. I ended up getting the gold holographic one. Again, probably not my first choice. Another thing, this one kind of came a little dinged up here. Like, I don't know if you can see, but the edge of this is like kind of all crinkled and stuff, which is unfortunate. But again, inside has a letter yellow color on the inside, same setup. So again, this one I might use as like a sticker organization type of thing for like my holographic foil stickers. So it'll at least be fine for that. But again, I just wish Shein would let you pick your damn colors on certain things. Like they do that a lot with like planner stuff or accessory stuff and stationery stuff. They do that all the time and it drives me insane. All right, and the last few things I got are a few clothing items. And I have to say, I'm like super happy with everything that I got. The quality of it is very, very good. Like I'm very surprised with some of the stuff because you know Shein is very hit or miss, and I am no stranger to Shein. Like some of the stuff you can get is like amazing and some of the stuff is just pure crap, and I've gotten both ends of that before, so I always feel like it's just a little bit of a gamble sometimes whenever I buy stuff from Shein, especially clothing items. But I think after you shopped on there for a while, you can kind of start to tell like what's gonna be good and what's not though. So I'm very happy with everything I got here and I'm so excited. I did film a few try on clips that I will put in with these as I'm talking about them so you can see what they look like on me, because honestly me holding them up is not going to do them very good justice. Another thing, clothing items on Shein, it goes really fast, so some of these things might be sold out already even though I just got this like just a couple days ago, but they do sometimes bring stuff back, so I'd always say keep checking if there's something you really, really want, because there have been many times there has been something I've wanted that has sold out like several times and keeps coming back. So the first thing I got is a cardigan. Again, a lot of this stuff, all of them but one is pink, and I've just been accepting my pink life. And this first one I thought was such a cute cardigan because it's like a little bit different than like your average cardigan. It's not like a regular cardigan, it's like a cool cardigan. This one is called Plus Striped and Checkered Pattern Drop Shoulder Cardigan. This one was originally $20, but since I had a discount code I got it for $15.99. This is what the cardigan looks like. Again, me holding this up is not doing it justice, so I'm gonna insert the clip now of me trying it on. But I really love it because one side is striped and then the front panel on the other side is checkered. I don't know why the sleeve is still striped, but it's so cute. I like how it looks. It's different because it's like stripes and checkers and stuff, and it's just like not something you typically see, but I love it. And you guys, this is really soft. Oh, this is so nice and like comfortable. This is not scratchy at all. The sizing of this is pretty good. I got this in a 1XL 14. I probably could have sized down if I wanted it to be a little bit more fitted, but you guys, this is so comfy and I love it, and I can't wait to wear this. It's just gonna be like great on those days where it's kind of like chilly in the morning, but then it's kind of warmer throughout the day. This is gonna be so cute. I love it. Okay, the next cardigan I got, it's kind of similar to the last one, but it's like, it's different. And I have a blue cardigan that's kind of like this. I think I wore it in one of my most recent videos. I think it was in my MAC lipstick haul. I think I wore it in that one. But I wanted to get this in a pink version, and I'm so glad I did. This one is called the Plus Cardigan Pattern Drop Shoulder Cardigan. This one was originally $25, but it was on sale, so I got it for $10.39. And again, I got it in a 1XL 14. And this is what the cardigan looks like, and this is what it looks like on. You guys, this is extremely soft. This is so like soft, like it feels like rabbit hair soft. It says it's made out of acrylic, which like amazes me because this like truly feels like those like Angora sweaters. Like it's that soft, you guys. It's so comfortable. It's even got a little bit more of a thickness than I was expecting. It's definitely not like a thick cardigan, but it's a little thicker, and it's so soft and so comfortable, you guys. Oh my gosh. You know, this was kind of one of those things I thought, okay, if I get something that's a dud, it's probably going to be this item because it might be scratchy. This is incredibly soft. I love this so much. I'm so glad I got it too because this is just such pretty like baby pink and then like a slightly darker pink kind of checker pattern. I love this. This is I'm so glad. And it was on sale for $10. Like, it's so soft, you guys, so soft. Like I said, if you want to have it like a little bit more form-fitting, I would say go down a size. Otherwise, it's just like just slightly big on me. I wouldn't even say like it runs big at all. I would just say it's like it's very comfortable at the my typical size. Okay, the next thing I got was another one of those like I like it in 2 colors, so I'm gonna get both of the colors, and I don't regret it because I love this so much. This is the only like non-pink item that I got, and this is called the Plus Letter Patch Stripe Trim Bomber Jacket. This one was originally $19. With a discount, I got it for $15.19. And you guys, like, if you want like the cute like letter jacket style, Shein has so many to choose from, so many, like every color you could imagine. But this one is like the baby blue. This is the baby blue version, and I have worn this one several times now, and it is so cute, and I've gotten several compliments, so that always makes me happy because I'm just not one of those people that gets compliments very often. So this one, again, it just like has like a letter patch. You don't get to choose your letter, so unfortunately if your initial is an S, that's just kind of what you got to go with. But it kind of works out because this was like kind of close to my high school color, and my school started with an S, so I don't know, kind of works for that. Not that I really care. But if you could pick your letter patch, that would be even better, but oh well. Surprisingly, I think I like the baby blue one on me more than the pink one, but I did get the pink one as well. Now this one was technically a different one because it does have a different letter on it, but this one is called Plus Letter Patch Two-Tone Bomber Jacket. This one was originally $22. With my discount, it was $17.59. And again, it looks pretty much exactly the same. It's just like a baby pink color, and this one has the letter R on it, and this one is like white on white patch, whereas the other one had like the gray trim with a white letter. But this one is so cute as well. Again, pink is like, it's my thing right now. I love it, and I'm so glad to have both of these colors. I know some people are like, really, you wanted both of those? And I'm like, yeah, I wanted both of those and I'm gonna wear them both, so I really, really like them. And also the blue one has a little bit more of like a cream color sleeve, whereas the pink one is like a true white sleeve. All right, and the last clothing item I got, this was the one that like really sealed the deal for me. Like a lot of the time, I'm just always adding stuff to my cart in Shein, and then, you know, when I feel like I've got like a good amount of stuff or anything I feel like that is about to sell out that I really want to get, that's usually when I, you know, pull the trigger and purchase all my stuff. And this was one of the items that I added to my cart, and I was like, okay, I have to check out now because I want this so bad. This is called the Plus Drop Shoulder Belted PU Leather Moto Jacket. This one was originally $30. With my discount, it was $23.91, and I got this in the 1XL size 14. You guys, this is a hot pink motorcycle style jacket. I died. I know this isn't doing it any justice, so I will put in a clip of me wearing it now. You guys, this made me so happy when I saw this because number one, I feel like they'll have a lot of really cute things, but they'll have them in like the standard sizings, and then it's like, well, sorry, if you're not a small, medium, or large, you can't get that. Now, some of the things that also go up to an XL in the standard size, which I can like obviously squeeze into if I really, really wanted to. So when this was actually like a true plus size item, I was so happy. Now I do have to say this is not like an extremely thick leather jacket. It's obviously not real leather, it's like the faux leather, but this is so cute and it's very comfortable, and I like it because it's a little bit more of a cropped one, so it's not like super long on the torso, which I don't like because I do have a couple other like leather jackets that I got from Forever 21 like years and years ago, and again, it was a baby blue and a pink one, and I loved them so much how they looked, but they didn't look good on me because they were like that full length, and I feel like since I have a shorter torso, things like that will just make my proportions look weird. So I like that this is cropped, and it's so cute, you guys. It makes me so happy. It did also come with like a little belt. I don't really like it with the belt, so I don't really wear the belt, but it did come with it. And I also have a pink motorcycle purse that looks like a little pink leather jacket, and for the longest time I've always wanted a pink leather jacket that looked like this, and I could never find one, or if I did, it was like an expensive one, so I am so glad to have this. I don't know if I'd wear the purse with the jacket, but it's so cute that I have it, and they like match so well. I love it a lot. It looks like the pink Moschino pink leather moto jacket purse that came out years and years ago. This is actually like a knockoff design of it. I think the brand is Neela Anthony. I also have it in red, and I think that's the second or the third pink one I've bought, because anytime I find them online I would like buy them because of course obviously they're gonna wear and tear and stuff. Alright, so that is everything that I got from Shein. I am so happy with all of the clothing items that I got. Like you guys, like I said, sometimes Shein is very hit or miss when it comes to like the clothing stuff, but I'm so happy with all these. I can't wait to wear them, and I'm so happy with it all. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.